Hi, it's Renee with Harvest Hill Cottage. Today I'm going to show you one of my favorite thrift finds and what I do with it. I'm talking about the candlestick. Anytime I'm out thrifting or yard sailing, I always look for tall, chunky candlesticks because they can be upcycled into so many fun and different things. Today I'm going to share with you 3 of my favorite candlestick flips. And if you like what you see here, please subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up. We'd love to share more content with you and grow our channel so we can do more fun projects together. Okay, for the first project, you're going to want a candlestick that's really heavy and durable and is not going to fall over easily. I covered the first candlestick with Fusion Mineral Paint, the color Laurentien, and I put 2 coats on. I love Fusion Mineral Paint because it's got great coverage, 0 VOC, so you can paint indoors, and it's got a built-in top coat, so you don't have to put a sealer on top. It's really awesome stuff. Now, because this piece may be used outside, I decided to put an added layer of protection on top. So I used Fusion's stain and finishing oil in the color Cappuccino. You just wipe it on and then wipe it back until you get the look that you like. And it's incredibly durable. And you can see that I love my stain and finishing oil because look at the condition of that can. Okay, now to add the bird feeder top, we sanded off the top a little bit and then drilled a hole for our screw, and then we just added this glass globe that we found at the thrift store, and we're going to attach that to the top of the candlestick for a really pretty pedestal bird feeder. We added a grommet to the hole and then just added some E6000 glue just to seal that grommet in place. And then more E6000 up on the pedestal. And then we went ahead and attached the globe. And if you're planning to have your piece outdoors, you want to use stainless steel hardware so that you can avoid rust. And so you can see John adding extra E6000 there. Then we just drilled the screw down into place with, I think he's got a washer in there, and just secure it really well. And that E6000 will just harden like cement. It's awesome stuff. I really love the way this piece turned out. You could use it as a bird feeder or a bird bath, or you could even put a plant in there, some flowers. So cool. So this candlestick's a little smaller, so I decided we would do something a little more dainty. I painted this with Champlain from Fusion. Just put a couple of coats on there, and then I added a glaze because I just wanted to add something a little extra. You can create a glaze in any color you want with Fusion's clear glaze. You just simply add a little bit of paint and you've got a pretty glaze to put on the outside of your project. And a glaze just adds a little more interest, another layer of color or shimmer to your piece. And so this vintage gold glaze is going to go over this creamy white, and it's really going to be beautiful. If you've never used a glaze, all you have to do is paint it on, and once you get it on your piece, and you can be really liberal with this, you just wipe it back until you get the look that you really want. Fusion's glaze has a nice long open time, and what that means is that it's workable for a long time. It doesn't dry super fast, so you can work with it for quite a while until you get it just how you want it. Just use a dry, lint-free cloth to wipe back your glaze. If you want to wipe it back a lot, then you can dampen your cloth, and that'll take off more of the glaze. And then you can always go back and add more in some of those details. The nice thing about the glazes is they really bring out the details in a piece. So you can see here I'm adding a little extra of the gold to some of the moldings and the details, just to kind of help that to pop. I do believe it's tea time. We thrifted a pretty little teacup, and I went ahead and attached the saucer to the candlestick using, again, my E6000, and just attach the candlestick to the bottom of the saucer, and then the teacup will be attached to the saucer, and then we're going to add a little plant in the teacup. A succulent works really great for this situation because they don't require a lot of water or a lot of soil. All right, time out for a little confession. John and I love thrifting. Like, it's our favorite thing to do. In fact, a lot of times our dates are involving some kind of thrifting or yard saling or estate sale situation. We love digging through piles of junk, and we have a blast doing it. How about you guys? Do you love thrifting as much as we do? All right, now on to our final project. Here's the third candlestick. It is a metallic pedestal, and I just dry brushed some white paint to bring out some of the detailing and to give it sort of an old world look. Dry brushing is such an easy and quick way to add some real beauty to your piece. There's that E6000 again. Okay, so here's a thrifted plate. I love, love, love it because this plate has a picture on the front of a church from St. Mary's City in Maryland. And we used to live in Southern Maryland. In fact, that's where we raised our kids. We live in Virginia now, but Maryland is always near and dear to my heart. And I'm so excited to have this plate. I just added it to the top of the pedestal, and now I have this lovely little pedestal stand for my guest bathroom, and I just use it next to my sink. So there you go, 3 fun and easy thrift flips with candlesticks. Do you have any candlesticks in your stash that you can flip? Which one of these projects do you think you'd like to take on? Let me know in the comments below what you think. Which one is your favorite? And if you haven't already subscribed to our account, we'd really appreciate it if you would, because it will help us to grow our account and give us the opportunity to add more content. And we are so grateful that you came and joined us. Share this with your friends, and please come back for more DIY, home decor, and thrift flips. Thanks so much, and God bless.